Good morning. It's the 24th of August, and the markets here for this early morning broadcast are relatively stable. Grains are up. Cotton actually, after yesterday's up move, is down some, a small amount. Looking around the board, crude oil market's down, the dollar's up, and precious metals are down. Global stocks, we have Asia stock markets mostly, Asian stock markets closed mixed. Markets in China were down, but other markets were up. The European market is currently up, and the U.S. market stock indexes are up. Some of the news, of course, we saw it yesterday, weather in the Gulf affecting Texas, affecting cotton crops that are being picked right now in the Lubbock, Texas, toward Galveston area. That cotton still is to be, a large part of it still to be picked. And with the prospect of a considerable amount of rain coming in, maybe 16 inches to 20 inches in some area over a few days, caused quite a bit of concern for the being able to get that crop out without it being damaged, or certainly being able to get the crop out without some damage done to the quality of it. So that still hangs over the market, should start tonight and then extend all the way in to Saturday, I think is what we saw on that. So we'll see. Market is down 3 right now. Looking around at other things, Fed meeting, their annual retreat in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Nothing really that noteworthy, but there are quite a bit of questions being asked about Janet Yellen, and will she be invited to be back again as Fed chairman. That, of course, won't be answered anytime soon, but it is something that's being talked about. Let's go to the market. Cotton is down 2 at 68.87, a high of 69 last night, right after the open, a low of 68.55. November soybeans up 4 at 9.42, a high of 9.42.5, a low of 9.35 3/4. December corn is unchanged at 3.55 3/4. A high of 3.56 3/4, a low of 3.55 1/4. September wheat's up 2 at 4.05 1/4, a high of 4.06 3/4, a low of 4.02 3/4. Crude oil is down $20 up right now 7. Gold down $2 an ounce. Silver down 11 cents an ounce, and the S&P futures right now last trading up 4.3. Of course, today we will have our export report, so we'll have our E3 market report coming out right after that at 7:30. In addition to that, initial jobless claims at 7:30, existing home sales at 9 o'clock, and EIA gas storage at 9:30. Those are all coming out today. That's it. We'll talk to you a little later. Thank you.